Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I use the Colourpop Glitterally Obsessed. These are not eye safe, but some people do use them on their eyes, and I'm going to show you how I do it as safely as possible. So for this look, I'm going to be using a yellow sort of glitter shade on my lid where I have the greeny yellow going on, and then on the inner corner I'm using Disco Lady. Now, I personally do not like applying these with a brush very much. Every brush that I have used it just sticks to the brush more so than my lid, so I prefer using my fingers for application. The only problem with that is that if you want to have the glitter in a certain area but not somewhere else, then you kind of need to use a small detail brush, but I definitely would recommend using your fingers. As for applying on my face, I just use my finger and I tap the glitter on first. Usually I have a layer of highlighter already down, and then I will start swiping to build up the glitter. Sometimes it'll take off the bottom layer of product, so you just have to be mindful of this. But I absolutely adore the Glitterally Obsessed. I think they have so many beautiful shades coming out. Plus, I think it's just fun for any festivals or parties. It's just honestly fun, and I love glitter.